boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. We have a song that calls Take My Half, and it's BEOMGYU. Don't butcher me for that pronunciation. Sorry for all you fans. And he's a single artist, is a group member of Tomorrow and Together, it's a South Korean group. And yes, BEOMGYU. Hope you're not watching this. Probably I'm very mistaken about your name. Anyway, Take My Half. That's the title of the song. Let's go into it. And as you can see, we had a capo on first frets. Okay, absolute best scenario for us. And we have 6 chords, I believe. Yes, 6 chords to handle with that. So let's go. I'm gonna learn C first. That is 3rd fret A string, 2nd fret D, open G, 1st fret B, and open E string. The next chord is the CB, kind of transition chord. So you keep that index finger there, and then you just find a new bass note on the 2nd fret A. So that will be 2nd A, open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's the CB. Then we have the F major 7. Okay, so that goes 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E. Then we have the D minor 7. Okay, so that will be open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And on that last 1st B, 1st E, I place a short little bar. It's up to you, but that is how I hold it. Then we have the E minor chord. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E string. And we also got the G chord. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And actually I forgot one chord. We're gonna throw in a 7th chord here. It's the plain D minor, all right? So it's open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Okay, I hope you can hear all that. We have a construction thing going on there in the background. I'm here in France, so it's a lot going on when it comes to sounds. I'm not in my standard studio, as you can see. But anyway, let's move on with this. I hope you can understand what we are going through now. And we're gonna start with the first verse. And this is a strumming pattern we need to learn first. So it's a pattern that is divided into 2 different parts. And one full round with C sounds like this. Okay, so the first part is down, down. And then we go into the second part. It's up, up, down, 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 up. So up, up, down, and then down, down, up. If you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. All right, so we're ready for the song. First verse, you're gonna play C, 1 full string around, then CB, 1 full string around, and then F major, 2 full strumming rounds. So C. That's the first verse. I played 2 rounds for you. That is what you're going to do as well. Over to the pre-chorus. The more I have, that's where we are in the lyrics, like 40 seconds in. And you're going to play the D minor 7 for 1 string around, then the E minor 1, and then the F major 7, 1. And you got to have a short little pause, and then you go into G and play 5 downs with a pause afterwards. I'm gonna play for you to understand what's going on. So I'm gonna play first D minor, E minor, and F major, 1 string around per chord, like this. And then comes the chorus, okay? So that's it. That's the pre-chorus, 1 round of that. and into the chorus part. We have two halves now, so to speak. We're gonna play the strumming pattern. So we're gonna play C, 1 full round, C, B, 1 full round, A minor, 1 full round, and E minor, 1 full round. And I realize now that I probably didn't went through the A minor chord, so we have to go and take that as well. So it sounds like that. It's open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. I think I forgot to mention that. But now you have it, and you're gonna play C, C, B, A minor, and E minor. That's the first half of the chorus. That starts about 56 seconds in. Next half will be to play F, part 1. Remember, the down, down, and then E minor. Again, part 1, just down, down. And then you continue with A minor, 1 full round. Then D minor, 1 full round. And then you have again that thing going on with the F chord, which is 5 fast downs, okay? So let's go through that. And that's how it plays, okay? So just to summarize this chorus, we had C, 1 full round, C, B, 1 full round, A minor, 1 full round, E minor, 1 full round. Then you had that F, two downs, the first part, E minor, 2 downs, first part, then A minor, 1 full round, D minor, 1 full round, and then 5 downs on that F. If you think that is a little bit too much to go with this bar chord F, I showed that F major 7 works perfectly well as well for this specific song. Not always, but for this specific song, you can go with the F major 7 instead, if you want to. Okay, so that is the first chorus, and you're gonna play for this one round. Then we're gonna jump back again to the second verse. The only difference here is it's half as long. We play 2 rounds in the beginning. We have this for only 1 round in the second verse. The second pre-chorus, just repetition, and the same goes with the second chorus, just repetition there. Then after that, we have a bridge part at 2 minutes and 12 seconds in. What you're gonna do here is to play another round of that chorus play. And then we're gonna end off with this outro part. We're at the final stages of the song. We're gonna play the verse play for 2 rounds. The C, C, B, and F major, 2 rounds of that. And guess what, guys? You finished the song, take my half. Cool song, fits guitar obviously very well, since I just performed it for you, and you can do it the same. So good luck, hope to see you soon, play tuned.